Hi kids, wish you very happy new year. In this new year, let's begin a new chapter. We are going to learn a new lesson today, that is chapter 10, work, force and energy. In this chapter, let's discuss different kinds of forces and their uses. An example to those forces and energy. What is energy and different kinds of energy and uses of energy? These are the things we are going to learn in this chapter. First, let's discuss about force. A force is a push or pull action applied on any object. I repeat again, force is a pushing or pulling action which is applied over any object in order to move the object or stop its movement or to change the direction of the movement. So the force is defined so. Force can be used to push or pull something. We apply force to push the pedals of a bicycle to make it move. Similarly, we use force to press the brakes to stop it. I hope now it is clear for you what is force. Okay, let's discuss with an example. You would have seen a cricket match. The bowler uses force to bowl. The batsman uses force to hit the ball. The fielder uses force to stop it. These are three ways in which cricketers use force. So here force is used to move a ball and to stop the ball and to change the direction of the ball. Next, we'll discuss about types of force. There are different types of force. Let's learn one by one. First one is muscular force. The force exerted or released by muscles of our body is called muscular force. So let me tell the examples for muscular force. Walking, running, jumping, lifting a weight. So these are some examples for muscular force. Next force is mechanical force. Various tools use mechanical force to do work. Example for mechanical force are pushing doors, pedaling bicycles, applying brake. So these are the mechanical force. The third kind of force that we are going to learn is elastic force. You all must be very familiar with this force, I think. Elastic force is used to move a catapult, and stretching of a rubber band exerts elastic force, and spring toys. You would have played with the spring toys. So these are the examples of elastic force, and also spring mattress also. Next force is gravitational force. It's a very important force. Due to this force only we are stable on the earth. So we can define the gravitational force as the force by which the earth pulls an object towards it is called gravitational force. I repeat again, the force by which the earth pulls an object towards it is called gravitational force. Example for gravitational force is any object if you throw upwards that comes towards the earth, that is the force exerted by the earth. Okay, so that is known as gravity. And a very familiar example we all know that is a fruit or any object falling from the tree. So that is an example of gravitational force. Next force is frictional force. A moving body slows down or stops on its own due to this frictional force. Example for frictional force is driving vehicles. While driving, the friction between the tire of vehicles and the road. So due to this only we can move the vehicles. And applying brakes. Skating, you all will be familiar with the skating. So skating is an example for frictional force, because there is a friction between a skating board and the ground. So it is frictional force. And writing on the notebook or blackboard, this is also due to frictional force.